Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Forex Traders Pro, and the name of this video is Forex Traders Pro Intro. Simplified Forex Trading, because that's exactly what Forex Trading is. It's simplified. That's the way we trade here. We trade for targets, target traders only. Okay, as you notice, we only have a MACD on here, only used for convergence and divergence. We have a 300 MA and a 30 MA. Other than that, we're basically indicator free. Now what we're going to do, we're going to start out and show you how we find these targets. Alright, so what we're going to do is use the Aussie dollar, just because it's a little bit easier currency to trade, especially for beginners. So we're on the daily chart. I've marked off a top here and a bottom. This is a 700 pip range, I believe. Okay. Alright. So, and I put the vertical lines in so I know the area that I'm in. Alright, now we're going to go to a 4 hour. Okay. And let me put this together. And this is our area here. Alright, now we're going to look for a downtrend in somewhere between here, back in the past. And I'm going to do this fairly quickly because the goal here is I will be giving you training in more detail exactly how to mark this off for yourself. Alright, open this up a little bit more. That was close enough to the top there, wasn't it? Alright, so I'm going to take some vertical lines here, horizontal lines, excuse me, and I'm going to mark off some areas on this chart here. Some areas of support and resistance going to the bottom. This area is covered. This area here to here. Here. And this doesn't take very long, as you can see, folks. You just pretty much we'll learn to find out exactly where to start placing these. Okay, all the way to our bottom here. Let's see what we got there. From this top down to here. Okay, so let's go back to this area. We were in the uptrend, the start of it here. Okay, they're gone from this top back down here again. Now they're going to come back up again. Alright, here's close enough to where we make the turn. Alright, let's get ready and see what we're going to do here with these targets. I know what I'm talking about. Oh, look at that. How do they know? They knew right where that was. Okay, so that takes that target out. Now it's time to either get a pullback, consolidate, or go up to the next one. And there's another pullback. Formed a nice little W right there, right here, and off to the target, as it appears to. Yep, did it not get right to that? Gee, how did I know that in the past that it was going to go there? How did I know? Now sure, let's keep in mind, folks, it does take quite a bit of time. This is a 4-hour chart to get to the target. The point is that you're going to know where the targets are when you trade. Okay, you're not trading for a measly 5 to 10 pips like people on Forex Factory. You're out here trading with the big boys, the market makers, the boys that know where these targets are. Okay, and that's where they're taking it to, regardless of what you do. So and once you get down on a 1 hour to find your entries on here, there's multiple entries. Okay, you're not going to get stopped out on every pullback. You're going to take profits, and I'm going to show you how to get on all. Just hold it right to the target with multiple entries. Okay, so let's see where we go here. That target's been hit. It's due for a pullback. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm going to break above that MA, right to that target again and through it. Okay, forming some consolidation pole right here, a nice flag pole right there. Okay, all right, and there we go. Just about to the next target. And do we get there? Let's see what we get here. A lot of sideways action. Yep, right to the target and through it. Okay, and making a turn. So when you know where these targets are, once again, it's so simple. The simplified forex trading, because that's what this is. You know how to mark your support, your resistance levels. Okay. For time's sake, let's see where they ended up here. Up to here. Did they not touch that? Right to that target and right to the top and through it. There we go. There's our end here, the top up here, ladies and gentlemen. Alright folks, so what we're going to do here then is, since we did that Aussie, we're just going to do one more, except we're going to do a downtrend this time, just to show you how this works for real. This isn't some you know, magic formula for Forex or some 500 indicator package that's going to make you money, or an automated robot, or on and on. Okay, so let's take this pound Aussie and we'll just mark this once again on a day chart, this top. This is going to be about 1200 pips all the way to this bottom that we just had. This, so we're going to trade this right here. We're going to look for the targets for this. Okay. Really no need to mark this off. We already have an uptrend right behind us here. Okay. So let's just put this on a 4-hour. Alright. And let's go over here to where this trend, uptrend started through here. Alright. Alright. And let's see what we got coming up here. And down here. This area here. And through up here. And let's see, is that our top there? Yeah, this is our top right here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually our downtrend started right there. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see if we know where these targets are coming down now. Actually, we've got a beautiful pole of consolidation here. Once this is opened up on a 1-hour, you can see an excellent trade down to the target from there. Alright, right to the target we go. Consolidate on it. Little retracement. And where are we headed? Oh, we almost made it. No, we ran out of sellers right there. Okay, so where we got to go? We got to come back up, find some sellers. Got to come back up and collect some orders, find some sellers up here. Alright, that should be pretty close to a 50% retracement right there. No, they had to go back to, again, formed a nice little W there, and down to the target they went. The next target, right to it. Okay, right to it, right through it. Alright, these areas in here, you can still trade these. There's at least 50 pips in there, as long as there's at least 55 pips, because that's what these big boys targets are. They're minimums of 55 pips. Okay, and then back up here, retracement, consolidation. You can see how we're hitting these left and right, and then down they go to the final target. Look, right to it. Okay, right to it, and to the final bottom down here. Alright, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be doing several more videos on this, but for now we want you to join our Telegram channel. It's free to join, and we also are going to show you how to get free signals, okay, intraday and swing trade signals, like these longer term trades. Okay, I'm going to give you the targets and everything. It's a very simple process. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be back with some more videos soon, and we'll see you over on Telegram. Thanks for coming. This is Forex Traders Pro. Target trading.